Hi, this is Accutek Car Audio Visual in Winchester. It's a nice video of a Transporter T6.1. In this car we've done a KENWOOD DNR992RVS, which has got the built-in navigation. It's also got Apple CarPlay Android Auto, which is a really nice feature. You've got a nav button here. This needs setting up for when the customer comes, but so we can put the size and the weight and the length of the vehicle. This basically, it's Garmin based navigation, so you don't need a phone connected to it, so you can use it anywhere this customer wants it, so because they're going through Europe. It's all using the ACV fascia trims and steering wheel control interfaces, so all the steering wheel controls work perfectly fine. This has also got a camera that you can pop it into reverse, and we've got a camera there with guidelines that are adjustable as well, which is a nice feature. It also uses the original USB, as you can see here. If you'd like to have this done in your Transporter T6, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.